Hi mga tol, it's me, Alex Katoltol. And for today's video, samahan nyo akong mag-ATV sa Rizal. So, let's go!
GoPro ba yan?
Yes. Hi, Jules.
Wasted na wasted siya.
Eric. Yun o. Gwapo ha.
Lalabas na transgender dyan sa woman.
Ah, doon siya nagsiya.
Oo. Yung pakita mo yung side.
So this is the rate if you want mag-camping, but for us, we will do just ATV.
May bali.
This is the view if you want mag-camping, but I think there's a lot of camping site here in Tanay Rizal. By the way guys, just a quick reminder, wag niyong iwawala yung resibo dahil sayang ang money.
I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something
They are also offering fresh buko for only 50 pesos and may mga selection ng food doon if you want to order, or pwede rin namang magdala. Sa katabang table namin is nagdala sila ng food nila.
you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a
Sa ATV pala, no need na ng license as long as you can drive or you can balance yourself. But for safety first is you need to wear a helmet. If first timer kayo, huwag kayo matakot kasi the tour guide will guide you and tuturuan niya kayo kung ano yung mga dapat gawin and dapat pindutin para hindi kayo ma-aksidente.
But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering you turn, and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late?
Oh!
Nag-flash?
Ano?
Nag-flash naman.
Hindi ko napansin.
Na medyo kinakabahan kasi ako.
Ako din eh. Yun no? Hoy! After mag-ATV, pwede rin pala kayong maligo pero hindi na kami naligo since day tour lang kami and sobrang hassle. And may pupuntahan pa kami after nyan, which is the Cafe Uno in Rizal din.
That step today, you'll vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile again.
Hi! Easy!
Hello!
Sorry na sa story. Jubil. Busy oh.
Alex. And our driver, Mang Tani.
Good afternoon, Kuya Kim.